Let's also go across to Sudeep Shah, the head technical and derivative research from SBI Securities. Sudeep, firstly, to understand this bounce back that you are seeing in trade today, do you expect that to sustain?
Uh, what has happened today is that after so many days, whether in the last few sessions, what has happened is that a lot of times the Nifty has opened gap up, and then we have seen the entire gap being sold into. But today, for the first time in the last 2 to 3 hours, we have seen intermediate bouts of volatility. But by and large, this zone of 23,450, 23,480 has held, and every dip to that zone has been bought into. And one more positive factor which I'm just trying to see is that banking today has stabilized above its 10-day exponential moving average, which is around 50,800, 50,820. And apart from that, IT is also supportive. And plus, Reliance also has at least stopped its fall. So all this put together, along with the few pointers which you just mentioned, which Ansh just mentioned, that the open interest has come down by 2% in Nifty futures. So I feel yes, for the next few sessions, we could expect a relief rally going, and we could eye levels of 23,850, 23,950 thereabouts. And on the downside now, 23,500, 23,450 zone would offer strong support. And I guess it's not too soon that you have said that this could be the first week where we could close in green. So I feel that yes, we could see a strong closing today, and it could be closer to 23,650, 23,700, and we could consolidate on these gains for the next 3 hours.
As you were speaking, we were just about to touch 23,650. So do you expect that to be a hurdle, or that could be passed very easily by the benchmark?
The kind of flows, the kind of momentum that we are witnessing in a lot of large cap stocks today, I feel that this could cross. If not today, then on Monday, and we could see ultimately after a bounce back from the lower levels closer to 23,650, there could be some say, profit booking or something like of 50, 70, 80 points, and that we have seen throughout the day. There have been bouts of selling pressure of 40, 60, 80 points, and once again, immediately in the next 5 minute candle, the entire selling pressure has been bought into. So I feel overall now, let us stick with that support zone of 23,500 until this zone holds. This upside could continue up to 23,800, 23,900 zone in the coming few sessions.
Okay, let's see whether the upside continues to hold or not. But sectorally speaking, Sudeep, there's quite a bit of strength today in select PSU banking names and real estate names. Give me your top recommendations from these two baskets.
Anisha, if you closely observe post yesterday's fall in the PSU basket, a lot of these stocks recovered yesterday itself. And within the PSU basket, if I have to pick up any stock, then it would be Bank of Baroda, because the kind of support zone from where it bounced back yesterday, 220, 223 zone, was an important Fibonacci number, as well as this stock is now once again back about 230, 228 levels, which for us was an important support, as this was an important price point in the last 4 months. So, from the PSU banking space, if one stock has to be mentioned, then it has to be Bank of Baroda, and it might not be a easy, say, one-sided move on the upside, V-shaped recovery, but slowly and steadily, we could see this stock heading back up to 250, 255 levels, and this could be added in a staggered manner with 225 as a stop loss on the downside. And from the real estate pack, if you have to pick up any stock, then it would be Godrej Properties. Uh, Post this fall from 3,300, 3,400 in the last 1.5 months, the stock has retested an important support zone closer to 2550, 2600. And once again, today with this move of 3.5%, a lot of short covering is witnessed here. And the stock is once again, it is attempting to cross and sustain above its 200-day moving average, which is closer to 2770 odd zone. So I feel that along with this move, it is also crossing its 20-day exponential moving average, which is hinting at some kind of a trend change on the upside. So till 2760 holds on Godrej Properties, I feel that this up move could continue up to 2880, 2920 in the coming few sessions.
Okay, point taken. So those are the top recommendations coming in. Thanks so much, Sudeep, for making time and speaking with us.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.
Enviro Infra Engineers Limited now proposes an initial public offer of its equity shares. The 100% book built issue is being offered at a price band of rupees 140 to rupees 148 per equity share of face value of rupees 10 each. Issue opens on Friday, November 22nd, 2024. Issue closes on Tuesday, November 26th, 2024. For risk involved and other details, please refer to the red herring prospectus, which is available on the website of the company, SEBI, stock exchanges and the BRLM, Hem Securities Limited.